Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to generate exit summary report. Before login into PromptHR, please check that you must have rights to access exit summary reports menu. Please follow the steps. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Exit from your left-hand side menu. Then click on Exit Reports Summary. Other customization options are given here. Select Business Unit/Division from here if you want to generate this report for particular business unit/division. No need to select anything, if you do not have multiple business units/divisions. Likewise, select salary grade, work location, site or employee category, if you want to generate this report for particular salary grades, work locations, sites and employee category. Not to select anything if you want to generate report for all the salary grades, work locations, sites and employee categories. I am not selecting anything in this example. Enter from date into date here, for which period you want to print this report, and I selected exit date option because I want this report on exit date basis. Select screen if you want to see report on your screen, then print. Select Excel if you want to export it in Excel, then print. Here is the Excel file. This report generated based on the fields that I selected.